These 3 fruits destroy collagen and 3 that rebuild it fast for over 65. Did you know that the breakdown of collagen in our skin starts accelerating after the age of 30? And by the time we're over 65, it's more important than ever to protect and rebuild it. Collagen, the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm, smooth, and youthful, naturally decreases with age. But here's the kicker. The foods we eat can either speed up this process or, on the flip side, actively help rebuild and protect our precious collagen. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 fruits that are actually destroying collagen in your body. Yes, these are likely in your fridge right now. And more importantly, 3 fruits that can rebuild collagen fast, specifically for those over 65. If you want to keep your skin looking fresh, elastic, and strong, you're going to want to pay attention to these fruits. Your skin will thank you later. The 3 fruits that destroy collagen. 1. Citrus fruits: oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Citrus fruits are commonly known for their high vitamin C content, which is an essential nutrient for collagen production. But what you might not know is that the high acidity in these fruits can actually cause some damage to your collagen levels if consumed in excess. The acids in oranges, lemons, and grapefruits can create an imbalance in your body's pH levels, leading to increased inflammation, which, over time, accelerates the breakdown of collagen fibers. In addition, excess acidity can affect your body's ability to absorb certain nutrients that are crucial for collagen synthesis. While vitamin C is important for collagen production, an overabundance of acidic foods can cause irritation to the skin and digestive system, especially for those with sensitive stomachs or acid reflux, which becomes more common with age. So, while it's okay to enjoy an orange or a glass of fresh lemon juice in moderation, it's important not to rely on citrus fruits as your primary source of vitamin C. 2. Pineapple. Pineapple is often hailed as a superfruit, packed with vitamin C and an enzyme called bromelain, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and digestive benefits. While this might sound like a good thing, there's a downside to consuming too much pineapple if you're looking to protect your collagen. Bromelain, the key enzyme in pineapple, has a protein digesting effect, meaning it breaks down proteins, collagen included. The body needs to break down and synthesize certain amino acids for collagen formation, but bromelain's action can interfere with this process if overconsumed, leading to a reduction in collagen production. While pineapple does have some collagen-boosting properties, eating it too frequently can potentially backfire, especially for seniors who are trying to maintain skin elasticity and strength. To reap the benefits of pineapple without damaging collagen, it's best to enjoy it in moderation. You can still enjoy its sweetness and digestive benefits, but balance it out with other fruits that support collagen without interfering with its production. 3. Dried fruits: raisins, dates, prunes. Dried fruits, like raisins, dates, and prunes, may seem like a healthy snack option, but they are actually some of the worst offenders when it comes to collagen damage. While they do contain beneficial nutrients like fiber and antioxidants, they also have a concentrated amount of natural sugar and can cause your blood sugar to spike quickly. When blood sugar levels rise rapidly, a process called glycation happens. Glycation is the bonding of sugar molecules with proteins, including collagen, which forms harmful compounds known as advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs damage the collagen in your skin and make it more brittle and less elastic. Though dried fruits can provide a quick energy boost, they should be consumed sparingly, especially by those over 65, who are already more vulnerable to collagen degradation. Fresh fruits with lower sugar content and higher water content are much better choices for maintaining healthy collagen levels. The 3 fruits that rebuild collagen fast. 1. Berries: strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. If you're looking to rebuild your collagen and improve the health of your skin, berries should be at the top of your shopping list. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen. But what really sets berries apart from other fruits is their ability to protect your existing collagen. These fruits are packed with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that fight off oxidative stress, and free radicals, which are known to break down collagen. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage skin cells and contribute to the visible signs of aging, like wrinkles and sagging. Not only are berries loaded with vitamin C, but they are also low in sugar, meaning they won't contribute to the glycation process, unlike dried fruits or sweetened snacks. You can add them to smoothies, salads, or just enjoy them fresh as a snack. And the best part? They're packed with fiber and water, making them a hydrating option that also promotes digestive health, an essential factor for seniors looking to maintain overall vitality. 2. Avocados. When we think of skin health, avocados often come to mind, and for good reason. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, that help keep your skin hydrated and plump. But the real magic happens when you combine these fats with their high content of vitamin E and vitamin C. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting your skin cells from oxidative stress and UV damage, while vitamin C is a critical nutrient for collagen production. These healthy fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins more efficiently, ensuring that you're getting the most out of every bite. As we age, our skin becomes drier, and the loss of moisture accelerates collagen breakdown, making avocados a must-have in your diet. They not only help maintain moisture, but also provide your body with the building blocks it needs to keep collagen levels high. Try incorporating avocados into your daily routine by adding them to salads, smoothies, or even enjoying them as a spread on toast. Their creamy texture and healthy fat content make them an excellent addition to any meal, particularly for seniors looking to keep their skin smooth and radiant. 3. Papaya. Papaya is another fantastic fruit for collagen repair, especially for those over 65. This tropical fruit is packed with vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for collagen synthesis, but that's not all. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and supports your digestive system. But it also helps in collagen production by improving the absorption of amino acids, the building blocks of collagen. But what really sets papaya apart is its rich content of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that gives the fruit its vibrant orange color. Beta-carotene helps protect your skin from sun damage, one of the leading causes of collagen breakdown. When combined with the collagen-boosting properties of vitamin C, this makes papaya an excellent food for not only rebuilding collagen, but also protecting it from further damage. Incorporating papaya into your diet can be as simple as adding it to fruit salads, smoothies, or enjoying it fresh. Its sweet flavor and rich nutrient content make it a great choice for anyone looking to boost their skin's elasticity and fight the effects of aging. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share it with anyone you know who wants to protect their collagen. Your skin deserves the best, and now you know how to nourish it from the inside out.